Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Azure DevOps.
We need to create build pipeline for export and import solution from dev environment to build environment. For that, open the project to create a build pipeline in the Azure DevOps. Open the project. In the left panel, we can see pipelines. Click on pipelines, and here these are pipelines in the project. We can see recent, all, and runs. These are the recent pipelines which has run, and all we can see all the pipelines which have in the project and runs. These are the runs in the project. To create new pipeline, click on new pipeline. Here it's asking to select the repositories to select the code, but we are going with classic editor. Click on classic editor. Here it's asking to select the source. So we are going with the Azure repository gate, and it's asking the project. It will shows all the projects in organization. Let's select the project, and it's asking repository. Which repository you want to create this pipeline in the project. Project may have multiple repositories, which we can see here, all repositories. These all are repositories in my project. So let it be like that. And it's asking branch, which branch you want to create the pipeline. It got selected master. Let it be like that. Click on continue. Now it's asking to select the template to create a pipeline. These all are templates in the system. So we are going with the empty job. Click on empty job. This is a pipeline window to build the pipeline. So give the name for this pipeline. Click on save. Pipeline called saved. Now click on agent job 1. This agent job is hosted in Azure Virtual Machine, and scroll down, select allow script to access both token to enable the scripts to run in the pipeline. Click on save. Now we need to add task to this build pipeline to export and import solution from dev to build environment. For that, we need to add task to this agent job. For that, click on this plus icon. It gives all the tasks were installed in the system. Let's search for Power Platform. These all tasks are related to Power Platform build tools. Now we need to add the task to this agent job 1. Let's add tool installer. Tool installer will helps to run all the tasks in the pipeline. Next, we need to add export solution. Click on add, and we need to add import solution. Click on add. Now we added export and import task to this agent job 1, we need to publish the solution after the import. For that, search for publish, publish customization, click on add. Now we all added task to our build pipeline to export and import solution from dev to build environment. Here we can see that some of the settings need attention. So let's click on this task and it's showing all the details of the task, display name and authentication type. We have two types of authentications, which is username and password with no MFA support, and service principal client secret support MFA. In earlier, we created application user in the Dynamics, service connection in the Azure DevOps, and app registration, which we created in Azure Portal. So we'll utilize those things here. Select the service principal with the MFA and click on refresh. It shows all the service connections in the system. We are going to export the solution from dev environment. Click on dev, and to see all the service connection in the system, click on manage. It will take us to the service connection window. These are the service connections in the system. Let's go back to the pipeline, and it's asking solution name. Let's give the solution name for this pipeline as a variable. And we need to give the value for this solution name variable. For that, we need to go to variable section on the tab, click on variables. Here we have two types of variables, pipeline variables and variable groups. Pipeline variables which are specific to this pipeline, we cannot use in other pipeline. Variable groups are contains many variables into one group, which we can use in a number of pipelines. So earlier we created a variable group, click on variable groups, and it's asking add variable groups to this pipeline. For that, click on link variable group. It opens all variable groups in the system. Let's select the variable group which we created earlier, and it's showing that alm.group in one, which means this group has one variable. Let's click on link variable group added to this pipeline. If you want to see what are the variables in this group, expand. Solution name is a variable and value for this variable. Now go back to the task, click on export solution task, and it's asking solution output file, which means the path where we want to keep our exported solution. So let's give that path. Yeah, this is the directory which we are going to keep our exported solution. This is Microsoft defined directory. This is the solution name, unmanaged solution which we are exporting, and selected as asynchronous operation. Now all issues were fixed for export task. Click on import task, select the service connection type, select the build environment. It's asking solution input file, which file we want to import to this environment, which means the solution which we are going to import into build environment. So we need to give the path for that file. So let's give this solution path in the import solution task to get the file and import into build environment, and all attentions were fixed and published customizations. It's asking the service connection, which environment we want to publish. So select the service connection. Let's select, click on save. Now build pipeline is ready to run now. For that, click on queue. It's giving the information about the pipeline. Agent pool is hosted in Azure Pipelines. Agent specification, which server details, and the branch is master, and variables to this pipeline. Diagnostic. Click on run. Pipeline is started running. To see the pipeline status, click on agent job 1. Pipeline being started to execute. It's installing Power Platform tool installer. It started exporting the solution. Solution is exported. Now it started importing the solution to build environment. Solution got imported and it's publishing the customization in the build environment. Yeah, pipeline got executed successfully, which means the solution got exported and imported as and managed from dev environment to build environment. Let's check that. Go to like a portal, go to solutions. This is my solution, got exported from dev environments, and let's check for build environment whether it got imported or not. This is a solution got imported. Let's check for the solution history. Yeah, solution got imported into the build environment as well. This is how we build a build pipeline for exporting and importing solution from one environment to another environment as unmanaged.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.